Hello everyone. This is PC Mentor, and today in this video I am going to simply show you how we can get rid of this problem. That is something like this runtime-l1-1-0.dll is missing. We got this error message whenever we are opening an application. This problem is due to the missing DLL file from the Windows directory or from the application. To solve this error, simply open the browser and go to this website. Link is given in the description. Here we have to download either 32-bit or 64-bit file. Before downloading, make sure to check your computer is 64 or 32-bit. As you can see, I am using 64-bit, so I have to download 64-bit and 32-bit file for my computer. Note, if you are using 32-bit, just simply download the 32-bit file for your computer. Once you downloaded the file, extract the files and copy a 32-bit file. Go to Windows Drive and click on Windows folder, scroll down and open System32 folder and paste here. Now come back to download and extract the 64-bit file and copy it. Again, open Windows directory, but this time open syswow64 folder and paste it. Apart from this, copy the file as well to the application directory too. Now launch the application, and I hope you fix that error. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like it and do not forget to subscribe. And if you want to learn more, click either left or right.